Hello everyone, let's see how to synchronize EcoStruxure Automation Expert with an existing AVEVA System Platform Galaxy. If you don't have a Galaxy yet, please watch our video called How to Create a Galaxy. In EcoStruxure Automation Expert, open your project and go to the CAT section. Open your CAT or create a new one. If you need help creating a CAT, you can watch our dedicated tutorial How to Create a CAT. Once your CAT is ready, you have two possible workflows. Focus point: before choosing an option, make sure that your OPC UA variables are exposed in the IThis interface, and that the IThis block is present inside the CAT logic. This ensures the AVEVA object receives data correctly. First option: if your Galaxy already contains templates, right-click the solution, go to Configuration, and select Sync AVEVA SP Templates. This action retrieves all the templates available in the Galaxy. Then open the ASP Template Mapping Editor and assign the appropriate template to your CAT. When you choose an existing AVEVA template, make sure the template attributes are mapped to the CAT interface variables. In Schneider libraries, such as App2 Common Process, this mapping is already prepared. For example, the valve template already includes the input and output attributes, and they are pre-linked to the CAT HMI variables. But if you use a custom template, you may need to create this mapping yourself. Make sure to close the tab once the mapping is done. Second option: if you want to create your own AVEVA graphic, right-click the CAT HMI and choose Add AVEVA Industrial Graphic. The editor that opens is the same Industrial Graphics IDE used inside AVEVA System Platform. You can design your own symbol or reuse the ASP graphic libraries provided by Schneider Electric. Once your CAT graphic or template is ready, right-click the application node and select Sync Automap to AVEVA SP Templates. This generates or updates the AVEVA templates based on your CAT design. Next, open the hierarchy view. Fetch the Galaxy structure and drag your CAT instances into the correct area. This step is necessary to place your objects in the right location inside AVEVA System Platform. Here is a little tip: if the area doesn't exist in the Galaxy, open the AVEVA System Platform IDE, go to the Template section, right-click on Area, and create a new area instance. Assign it to the App Engine, then return to EcoStruxure Automation Expert and refresh the hierarchy view. Now go to the System section, open Devices, and add a new device. Choose the type AVEVA_server. Configure the OPC UA gateway settings, including the server node and the gateway parameters. Once configured, open the Deploy and Diagnostic section, click on the AVEVA server device, and select Compile. This extracts your CAT instances and prepares them for synchronization. Once the compilation is done, click the device again and choose Sync to AVEVA System Platform. You can use Sync Changes to update only what has been modified, or Sync Selection to synchronize specific CAT instances you choose. Finally, open the AVEVA System Platform IDE and verify that your CAT instances were created correctly. You should see the objects under the correct area, with the correct template and graphic associations. And that's it. Now you know how to synchronize EcoStruxure Automation Expert with an existing AVEVA Galaxy.